The options market can be a confusing place. Sorting through the daily avalanche of data, alerts, updates, articles, and analysis to find the most important information is an overwhelming prospect. But now you have help. Welcome to the Options News Rundown, the only program that breaks through the noise to bring you the most important news and information from the world of options. Every day, we bring you the top 5 option stories curated by the options experts at theoptionsinsider.com, the premier source for options information. The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider. And now it's time to break through the noise. It's time for your Options News Rundown.
Good morning. Today is January 2nd, 2018. This is your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli. Our first story today comes by way of investing.com. New Year's jitters for bond markets as ECB cuts back stimulus. Borrowing costs across the euro area shot higher on Tuesday as a cut in monthly ECB asset purchases became a reality, with hawkish comments from a top official and strong data hurting sentiment towards bonds on the first day of trading this year. Peripheral bonds markets, the biggest beneficiaries of European central bank stimulus, bore the brunt of the selling. Yields in Italy, Spain, and Portugal rose 6 to 7 basis points each, widening the gap over German peers. But even core or top-rated bond markets were left unscathed from the selling pressure, with Germany's 10-year bond yield hitting 2-month highs. Our second story today is also from investing.com. U.S. manufacturing PMI higher than expected in December. Business activity in the U.S. private sector was higher than expected in December, rising optimism over the American economy, according to data released on Tuesday. In a report, market research group IHS Markit said that its manufacturing purchasing managers index rose to 55.1 in December from the prior reading of 55. It was the highest reading since March 2015. On the indices, a reading above 50 indicates expansion and below indicates contraction. Economists had estimated that it would remain flat at 55. Our third story today is a story that comes out of, NDTV.com. Ripple and Litecoin offer better returns than Bitcoin. 5 things you need to know about Bitcoin rivals. Bitcoin offered a 1,400% or 14 times its price on January 1st than the year before. At the same time, there were cryptocurrencies that gave relatively higher returns, but they didn't happen to gain popularity as the world's most popular cryptocurrency. Ripple is priced around $2. Litecoin can be bought for $231, while Bitcoin is available for a whopping $13,660 on Tuesday morning. However, in the beginning of 2017, the prices of Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ripple were $1,000, $4.30, and 0.6311 cents, respectively. This means that Ripple gave 36,000% returns, and Litecoin gave 5,200% return in comparison to the 1,400% return earned by Bitcoin investors. Our next story today here is from investing.com, crude oil prices weekly outlook for this week. U.S. oil prices ended above $60 a barrel in the final trading day of the year on Friday for the first time in over 2 years, amid signs that a glut in global inventories is easing. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures for February delivery tacked on 28 cents, or around 0.47%, to end at $60.12 a barrel. It was the highest close since June 2015. Brent crude futures, the benchmark oil prices outside the U.S., rose 47 cents, or 0.71%, to settle at $66.63 a barrel by close of trade. Earlier in the week, Brent broke through $67 for the first time since May of 2015. Oil prices have been buoyed by indications that global inventories are declining as shrinking supplies reassured investors. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is news you can use for today, first trading day of the year, January 2nd, 2018. This is your Options News Rundown. I'm Dan Passarelli. Trade smart and have a great year.
The Options News Rundown is brought to you by LevelTradingField.com, the online communication, research, and quantitative platform with the largest collection of financial tools for traders, including the innovative Bitcoin Market Predictor. The Bitcoin Market Predictor is a simple prediction game where 10 people place bets on the future price of Bitcoin, and the top 3 most accurate predictions wins. Sign up at LevelTradingField.com with promo code INSIDER. The Options News Rundown is also brought to you by Market Taker Mentoring, the leader in options trading education. Get trader education, daily trade ideas, and more with a free 1-week trial of Market Taker Mentoring's Live Advantage Group coaching class by visiting markettaker.com/insider.